Welcome back to Cars World, the ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the striking exterior of the 2025 Mazda CX-5, a vehicle that blends timeless design with modern innovation. Mazda has once again proven that sophistication doesn't have to come at the expense of performance or practicality. From the very first glance, the 2025 CX-5 demands attention. Its sleek and aerodynamic silhouette showcases Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, which translates to soul of motion. This design language is all about capturing dynamic energy, even when the vehicle is at a standstill. At the front, the bold and reshaped grille commands presence. It's wider, more aggressive, and features a new mesh pattern that exudes confidence. Flanking the grille are the updated LED headlights, now slimmer and sharper than ever. These lights are not just for show. They're fully adaptive, offering improved visibility and safety during nighttime driving. The hood has been subtly sculpted with deeper lines that emphasize muscle and motion. Every curve and edge on the CX-5 has a purpose, guiding airflow for better fuel efficiency and a quieter ride. Moving to the sides, the 2025 model features a more streamlined profile, with flush-mounted door handles and body-colored mirrors. The wheel arches are pronounced, hinting at the SUV's capability, while new 19-inch alloy wheels in black chrome finish complete the look. Mazda has also introduced 3 new exterior colors for 2025, including a deep metallic blue, a rich burnt copper, and a striking snowflake white pearl. Each paint option is layered with Mazda's signature Takuminori technology, providing a hand-painted look that changes with light and perspective. Along the roofline, the sloping design gives the CX-5 a more coupe-like aesthetic without sacrificing its SUV practicality. Roof rails come standard on higher trims, adding versatility for those who love weekend getaways or need extra cargo space. At the rear, the LED taillights mirror the design of the headlights with a sleek, minimalistic approach. The tailgate is subtly integrated with a rear spoiler, adding both style and aerodynamic efficiency. Mazda's logo sits prominently above the chrome trim, and the dual exhaust outlets are finished in matte black for a sportier edge. Another standout element is the overall proportion. The 2025 CX-5 rides slightly lower and wider than previous years, giving it a more planted, confident stance. This not only improves handling but enhances the aggressive look that appeals to modern SUV lovers. Mazda's commitment to design excellence